Artificial intelligence, or AI. We hear about it all the time, but do you know how it actually works? Today, we're going to dive into the inner workings of AI and break down how it learns, makes decisions, and powers some of the most exciting technologies around us. At its core, AI is all about enabling computers to think and learn like humans. But how does it do that? Well, AI can be broken down into two major types: machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning is where AI learns patterns from data. Think of it as teaching a computer to recognize things by showing it lots of examples. Then there's deep learning, which takes it a step further by using something called artificial neural networks. These networks allow AI to understand even more complex patterns, much like how our brains work. To understand AI better, let's look at its three key components: data, algorithms, and models. First, there's data. Data is the fuel for AI. It's what the AI learns from. For example, if you want AI to recognize different animals, you need to feed it thousands, if not millions, of images of those animals. Next, we have algorithms. Think of an algorithm as a set of instructions or a recipe that the AI follows to analyze the data. It's how the AI learns the patterns in that data. And finally, we have the model. The model is the result of the AI's learning process. It's like a map that helps the AI navigate new data, making predictions or decisions based on what it has learned. So, how does AI go from raw data to making smart decisions? It all starts with data collection. AI gathers data from all sorts of sources: text, images, audio, you name it. Once the data is collected, it goes through data pre-processing. This is where the data gets cleaned up and organized. Imagine you have a bunch of photos. You might resize them, label them, or remove any blurry ones so the AI can focus on the good stuff. Next up is model training. During this phase, the AI uses the clean data to learn. It looks for patterns and builds a model that can solve specific problems, like identifying an object in a photo or translating a language. After training, the AI's model needs to be evaluated. We test it to see how well it performs, how accurately it can predict or identify what we want it to. And finally, with a well-trained model in hand, AI is ready for the prediction and application phase. Now, it can make predictions or take actions based on new data, whether that's navigating a self-driving car through traffic or recommending a song you might like. And that's the magic of AI. It's a system that learns from data, evolves through training, and uses its knowledge to make predictions or decisions in the real world. From helping doctors diagnose diseases to powering the smart assistants in our phones, AI is becoming an integral part of our lives. We hope this breakdown has made the complex world of AI a bit easier to understand. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the heart of artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching. Keep learning.